Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious restaurant style starter, crispy honey chili potatoes. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण रेसिपी को ओडिया रे देखिया को चाहउचंती देन तळे थिबा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. To start with the recipe, peel 3 potatoes and soak them in water. Cut from the sides to make flat surfaces. Now cut vertically with thick width. Basically we are looking for a shape like French fries, so cut vertically again to get the perfect shape. Keep them soaked in water, otherwise they'll turn black. Put the potatoes in boiling water and then add a pinch of salt and let it boil for 5 to 6 minutes. Take the potatoes out in a bowl and allow to cool down a little. Then add half tablespoon of Maida or all-purpose flour and half tablespoon of corn flour. Coat carefully. Try not to break the potato sticks. Our potato sticks are perfectly coated now. Now in another bowl, take 1/4 cup of Maida and 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add water gradually to form a thick batter. The consistency of the batter is perfect now. Add the dry coated potato sticks and coat them well with the batter. Drop the coated potatoes in medium hot oil. Cook for 2 minutes and then separate the clumped potatoes. Fry till the potatoes turn slightly golden. We are going to double fry them. Now take them out on a plate. Do not take out on a tissue, otherwise they will become soggy. Fry all the potatoes like this and then again flash fry the potatoes on high heat. Our potatoes have turned perfectly golden brown in color. Take them out on a sieve. Now in a small bowl, take 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chilli sauce, 2 teaspoons of ketchup, and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Add 2 tablespoons of water and mix well and keep aside. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and then grate half inch of ginger. To that add 5-6 cloves of garlic chopped and 2 slit green chillies. Saute for a few seconds and then add 1 small onion sliced. Saute till the onions turn translucent. Now add the prepared sauce mixture. Mix well. Add 2 more tablespoons of water if needed. Bring it to a boil and then add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a mix and turn off the heat. After that add the fried potatoes. Mix well and coat with the sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and give it a good mix. And it's ready now. Serve hot with toasted sesame seeds on top. Our delicious and crispy restaurant style honey chili potatoes are ready now. So do give it a try and enjoy. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.